Asthma can often worsen without warning, which is why it is important to always have your spacer and puffer nearby. When using your E-chamber spacer, be sure to follow these instructions. Give your puffer a good shake before use to mix the medication. Remove the cap from your puffer and insert it into the rubber base of your spacer. Place your lips around the mouthpiece of your spacer to create a seal. Press your puffer once and take 4 normal breaths. If using an E-chamber mask, place it over your mouth and nose to create a seal. You should hear a click noise every time you breathe. This is the E-chamber butterfly valve working and means you're inhaling the medication correctly. When done, you can conveniently store your puffer inside your spacer. Breathe easy with E-chamber spacers.